street music.
Yeah. You ain't never heard it sound like this before. Come on.
So track is done. I'm gonna mix and master it over the next couple of days. Have it ready for radio. I'm not sure if they know. It's gonna be aired on my show, but if they don't, it's gonna be a great surprise for them. It's gonna be live on my radio show, and from here it's all upwards.
Dany Neville on the edge. This is Radio 1. Dany Neville live from the studios in Dubai. Once again, a brand new exclusive, some local talent. I've had the pleasure of working with these two guys. But shout out to Patrick Kura and Rasika. We did a track together for 5 Gum Arabia, exclusive airing at about 8:55. So stay tuned. This is The Edge. It's Radio 1.
So the brief was to create obviously a song for 5 Gum, which is delicious. So if music can be described as delicious, maybe, yeah, that's a good description. So the process for making the track was something quite different. Obviously everyone giving their own input and creative ideas. And I think we all sort of compromised a little bit to incorporate everyone's ideas to create something, yeah, unique for all of us.
Naming the track was a difficult process. And then we found out that one of the flavors of 5 Gum was named Turbulence. And then we looked at the lyrics, and then we realized that given the song is really about just ups and downs in relationships, it just gelled well and it was perfect. So the name of the track is Turbulence.
Also mentioned earlier about the premiere, a homegrown track. I worked on this track with producer Patrick Carrera for Rasika. This was for the 5 Gum Arabia, and it's a pleasure to be playing it as a premiere on the show right after this. Stay tuned, it's Radio 1.
You stick around like that's what I need from you. You hang around like that's what I need you to do. This ain't only the strongest of I. True, I made it without you in my life.
Yeah, it was. So it played on the radio, and there seemed to be lots of good feedback.
To be honest, I'm really happy. It's really exciting, and it's just unbelievable to hear my voice on the radio for the first time.
I'm done being your last option. I'm done being your last choice. I'm done being all this that lives in this ocean of noise. 'Cause I will never be what you need.
Feels good that, you know, something we created is on the radio, and I'm sure there's lots of people that heard it just now and, you know, enjoyed it.
When the track released on the radio, I was very nervous at first because Dany just announced it, and I was spazzing, to be honest. I was like, oh my god, it's going to be on the radio right now. But it played, and I was very proud of it. I was very proud of the fact that I was on the radio, and I had a lot of friends who were listening in, and they gave me really good feedback, and I was just happy overall, yeah.
I'm done being your last option. I'm done being
Another exclusive right here on The Edge, homegrown. This girl just has a voice of an angel. I was shocked in a very good way when she stepped into the booth. And mind you, she was sick too. And this came out. Turbulence is the name of the track. Watch out to be released this summer. A 5 Gum Arabia. Me and Patrick Carrera on production with some keys from the genius S chords from Underground Procedures. Homegrown talent getting bigger and bigger in 2012. There's so much in store for Robin, Rasika, Carl Wolf, The Narcissist, Handal Abri, just to name a few. The Recipe, Swerte, Aaron, Perfect Storm, the whole crew. We salute what you guys are doing.